Right. Today, we are walking. In a beautiful place. Welcome to Mr. K's Travel Club, guys. Mr. K's Travel Club. Today we are walking. We're walking. We're going to this place. We're going to this place. Surya KLCC. Surya KLCC, guys. Let's go that side to the park. Let's go to the park, guys. Come, let's go to the park. That side to the park south side. Nice. 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 Nice.
There's a Maybach Mercedes-Benz there.
I think this is a hotel. This is a hotel. This is a hotel.
Did you not even like?
Maybach. Yeah, go to the toilet. Okay, let's go to reception. Come. Let's go inside the reception again. Yeah, we are going now. Going to this beautiful place, guys.
You have the camera.
Welcome to got it. Welcome to Kuala Lumpur, guys. Kuala Lumpur. Welcome to Kuala Lumpur. We are going with Mr. Khoza. Sorry, we are going with the Cape Town family, guys. The Cape Town family. Welcome to the Cape Town family. The Cape Town family, guys. The Cape Town family. The Cape Town family, guys. The Cape Town family.
This is not a park. This is not a park.
The toilet is inside there.
This is not a park.
It is a park, my boy.
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's not a park. You said you can play. There's no park here.
Not to play. It's a park. But not to play. Right. So we see those two buildings there. Right. They stopped the water now. It's a bit hot, guys. It's a bit hot, but it's okay. I'm feeling hot. You see, I even took my my shirt. Yo, guys, I'm sweating. Yeah. Kuala Lumpur is very hot, guys. Very hot. Where are we going? Come, my family. Come. Danko, 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 danko.
You see why I'm sick? Even with beer, I'm doing.
Yeah. You see now, they want to give me copyright now. No. I want to allow this copyright to come in the name of Jesus. Never. I'm disturbing this copyright, guys. So this new nice, they started to water there. Nice water started coming. Let me see the beauty of this. Everyone is taking a glimpse, guys. Hey. All right, let's see, guys. Let's see. All right, let's see. All right, oh, wonderful, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Look at this. Wonderful, beautiful. Wow, nice and beautiful, huh? Nice and beautiful. Well done.
No one finished coming.
Right. I took some nice glimpses. Nice. Babes. Beautiful, no?
I'm kind of confused.
Eh?
I'm kind of confused.
Why confused? Dance water. That's nice. Wonderful. Lovely stuff. Wonderful. This is beautiful. See, I see that building is changing colors. You see the colors, changing colors. Beautiful, eh? Isn't that wonderful, guys? Right. So let's enter inside, guys. Inside the mall. We're going to see inside the mall. We're going out now. I'm going out. I've seen this beautiful place. Now I'm going inside. All right. So let's go inside. Let's go that side because here people are coming out. All right. So now let's go inside, guys. Beautiful mall. Let's go down there.
So I'm waiting for you guys. Please fix your feet.
Well, guys, let's go inside. Guys. Come, guys, let's go inside. Let's go inside, babe. Let's go inside. It's hot, guys. It's very hot. Yeah. You know, it's Barry. Barry, you must travel. Travel, guys, is very important. Travel. So that, you know, when you go out of this world, God will be proud of you and said, my child, you have done the best. You have explored the world. You have explored everything that I gave to you. And it's such a beautiful thing to do. So it is wonderful, guys. No wait for my family to come. Right. That's my family. See, come. Right.
Stop screaming.
That's my family. That's my daughter. That's my wife. Right. That's my daughter. That's my daughter. That's my boy. See now. The toilet upstairs. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We'll talk again.